وعن أبي موسى الأشعري رضي الله عنه قال: قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: ثلاثة لهم أجران، رجل من أهل الكتاب أمن باء كسر نون فتح باء كسر ياء كسر شد هاء ومن بمحمد والعبد المملوك إذا أدى حق الله وحق مواليه، ورجل كانت عنده أمة يطأها فأدبها فأحسن تأديبها وعلمها فأحسن تعليمها ثم أعتقها فتزوجها فله أجران. متفق عليه.
It is narrated on the authority of Abu Musa al-Ash'ari that the Messenger of Allah, may God bless him and grant him peace, said,
There are three people who will receive a double reward:
those who believe in their Prophet and Muhammad, may God bless them, and also in Muhammad.
He should do justice and also to his masters,
And the person who had a slave girl with whom he used to keep company,
gave her good manners and taught her good knowledge,
then freed her and married her.
there is a double reward for him. Hadith 1. You are a Sahabi of early Islam. Your name is Abdullah ibn Qais. You are from the tribe of Bani Ashur.
You came to Makkah from Yemen and became a Muslim.
First you migrated to Abyssinia and then to Medina.
You were the ruler of Ali Basra. Murtaza gave you his fist.
Baniya died in Makkah in 52 on the occasion of the peace of Emir Muawiyah.
2. That is, if the people of the book believe in the Holy Prophet,
then they will be rewarded for being the people of the book first.
although in this situation they believed in their prophets in wrong ways.
That the Christians considered the Messiah as a Jew and Hazrat Uzair as the Son of God.
They used to say, but because they believed these prophets as true, their books were true,
They will reap the reward of it now, like Abdullah bin Salam and Ka'b, etc.
3. In such a way that if he was a common slave of several masters,
Then he continued to pay the rights and services of all of them, and also continued to perform the duties of Islam,
because the more he was trapped in the world.
the greater the reward for worship.
4. One is the reward of educating and freeing a slave girl.
And the other is the reward of marrying her.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel.